Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Tayari Beginners की. This is Gauri Mishra. We will discuss today's current affair in English with static GK. Listen very carefully. So let's start this. First news is to World Environment Day is observed globally on 5th June every year by United Nations. The theme of year's World Environment Day is Reimagine, Recreate, Restore. World Environment Day celebrate on 5th of June. It's very important. And 2021 theme Reimagine, Recreate, Restore, as this year marks the beginning of the United Nations Decade on Ecosystem Restoration. Pakistan is the global host for the day to highlight the importance of ecosystem restoration is this year. The first time World Environment Day was celebrated in 1974 with the slogan Only One Earth. In 1972, the conference was held on human environment which began from 5th to 6th June at United Nations. About United Nations. The United Nations is an in-governmental organization that aims to maintain international peace and security, develop friendly relations among nations, achieve international cooperation, and be a center for harmonizing the actions of nations. Founded 24 October 1945, San Francisco, United States, headquarters New York, Secretary General Antonio Guterres. Second question is to Nitin Rakesh and Jerry Wind won the International Business Book of the Year Award 2021. International Business Book of the Year Award 2020 goes to Nitin Rakesh and Jerry Wind. Okay, the authors made history this week by winning the prestigious International Business Book of the Year Award for 2021 for their recently launched book Transformation in Times of Crisis, published by Notion Press. Important award and their recipients. India Biodiversity Award 2021 goes to N.M. Sahaji. Whiteley Award 2021 goes to Y. Nakul Fomji. UNESCO WordPress Freedom Prize 2021 Maria Ressa. World Innovator Award 2021 goes to Kiriti Karanath. Nelson Mandela World Humanitarian Award 2021 goes to Roman Sinha Sehgal. International Rangar Award 2021 goes to Mahendra Giri. 2021 World Food Prize Award goes to Shakuntala Harak Singh Ji. Third news is to the National Commission for Protection of Child Rights. NCPCR has devised an online tracking portal Bal Swaraj COVID Care Link for children in need of care and protection. About the portal. The portal has been created with the purpose of tracking and monitoring children who need care and protection in real time digitally. The portal will also be used to track children who have lost both their parents during COVID-19. The COVID Care link on the portal has been provided for the concerned officer of department to upload the data of such children. And recently launched government app and portal and their objects. Senior Care is in growth engine, says portal Social Justice Minister Thawarchand Gehlot. Sehat OPD portal to provide telemedicine services to the service armed force personnel, volunteers and their families. Ayush Sanjeevani app, it will facilitate a significant study and documentation regarding the efficiency of selected Ayush interventions. Home Isolation Tracking HIT app, it will ensure regular monitoring and tracking of those COVID-19 patients who are in home isolation across the state. Amrit Vahini app. Corona patients in Jharkhand can book hospital beds online through this app. Mera Rasan mobile app. The Mera Rasan mobile app will guide the citizens to locate the nearest fair price shop. E-Chhavni portal and mobile app to provide online civic services to the residents of cantonment boards across India. E-Sampada to serve a single platform to manage the estate services of GOI. Udyam Sarthi app to avail of information related to staff employment and job vacancies in industries of the state. Fourth news is to Air Marshal Vikram Chaudhary has been appointed as the next chief of the Indian Air Force. About Indian Air Force. The Indian Air Force is the air arm of the Indian Armed Forces. Its complement of personnel and aircraft assets ranks fourth amongst the air forces of the world. Founded at October 1932, Chief of the Air Staff, Air Chief Marshal Rakesh Kumar Singh Bhadauria. Indian Air Force Day celebrate on 8 October and some recent appointments. National Human Rights Commission Arun Kumar Mishra ji, Intelligence Bureau Head Arvind Kumar ji, Research and Analysis Wing RAW Head Samant Goyal, Central Bureau of Investigation Head CBI Subodh Kumar Jaiswal, Chief Information Commissioner of India CEC Sushila Chandra, Director General of National Investigation Agency Kuldeep Singh. Fifth and last news is to International Day for the Fight Against Illegal, Unreported and Unregulated Fishing is organized every year on 5th of June. According to the UN Food and Agriculture Organization, illegal, unreported and unregulated fishing activities are responsible for the loss of 11 to 26 million tons of fish each year, which is estimated to have an economic value of US 10 to 23 billion. About Food and Agriculture Organization, established 16 October 1945, headquarter Rome, Italy, had Kyutonggi important days of June. World Milk Day and Global Parents Day celebrate on 1st of June. World Environment Day celebrate on 5th June. World Ocean Day celebrate on 8th of June. World Day to combat desertification and drought celebrate on 17 June. World Refugee Day celebrate on 20 June. International Yoga Day celebrate on 21st June. International Olympic Day celebrate on 23 June. International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking celebrate on 26 June. So these are very important current affairs in this session. Hope you will like this video, and if you like this video, so comment, share and subscribe. And if you want PDF given in the description box. Okay, thank you.